Number 1. Leverage your wisdom as a legacy consultant. Use your life experience to help families and individuals document their personal histories and create legacy projects. Offer services such as writing memoirs, creating family history books, or developing digital archives. Market your services through community centers, senior living facilities, and online platforms. Create a portfolio showcasing your previous projects and testimonials from satisfied clients. Network with local genealogists and historical societies to reach potential clients. Number 2. Rent your space for film and photo shoots. If you have a unique or picturesque home, consider renting it out for film or photo shoots. Websites like Gigster and Peerspace connect property owners with filmmakers and photographers looking for shoot locations. Ensure your property is clean and well-maintained, and create a detailed listing with high-quality photos. Understand local regulations and insurance requirements to protect your property and yourself. Number 3. Start a home-based art gallery. If you have a passion for art, convert part of your home into a small gallery. Showcase works by local artists and host monthly exhibitions. Promote your gallery through social media, local art groups, and community events. Create an online presence with a website and virtual tours to reach a wider audience. Offer workshops and art classes to generate additional income and attract visitors. Number 4. Become a virtual travel guide. Share your travel knowledge by offering virtual guided tours. Use platforms like Zoom to take clients on virtual journeys through cities or countries you know well. Provide historical context, cultural insights, and travel tips. Market your services through travel forums, social media, and online travel communities. Develop engaging presentations with high-quality visuals and interactive elements to enhance the experience. Number 5. Offer personalized genealogy services. Help people trace their family roots by offering genealogy research services. Use online resources and historical archives to construct detailed family trees and histories. Market your services through genealogy websites, local libraries, and historical societies. Attend genealogy conferences and join local genealogy groups to network and find clients. Offer personalized packages that include comprehensive reports, family tree charts, and historical context. Number 6. Rent out your backyard for events. If you have a large and attractive backyard, consider renting it out for small events such as weddings, parties, or community gatherings. Websites like EventUp and The Bash can help you find clients. Ensure your space is event-ready and comply with any local regulations. Offer additional services like event planning, catering, and decorations to increase your income. Create a portfolio of past events to showcase your space and services. Number 7. Create custom music playlists. Use your extensive music knowledge to create custom playlists for special occasions such as weddings, parties, or corporate events. Market your services through event planning websites, social media, and word of mouth. Offer personalized consultations to tailor the playlists to the client's preferences. Create sample playlists and share them online to attract potential clients. Collaborate with local DJs and event planners to expand your reach. Number 8. Offer pet-friendly Airbnb stays. If you enjoy pets, convert your home into a pet-friendly Airbnb. Travelers often seek accommodations that welcome their furry friends. Create a comfortable and safe environment for pets and highlight pet-friendly amenities in your listing. Promote your space on pet travel forums and social media groups. Offer additional services like pet sitting, dog walking, and pet grooming to attract more guests. Number 9. Start a neighborhood gardening club. Organize and lead a gardening club in your neighborhood. Offer workshops on topics such as organic gardening, landscaping, and plant care. Charge a membership fee and sell gardening supplies and plants. Promote your club through local community boards and social media. Create a monthly newsletter with gardening tips, upcoming events, and member highlights. Partner with local garden centers and nurseries for discounts and sponsorships. Number 10. Offer remote tech support. Use your technical skills to provide remote tech support for seniors and others who need help with their devices. Offer services such as troubleshooting, software installation, and digital literacy training. Advertise your services through senior centers, community boards, and online platforms. Develop easy-to-follow guides and video tutorials to assist clients with common tech issues. Offer one-on-one sessions and group workshops to cater to different needs. Number 11. Create and sell custom quilts. If you enjoy quilting, create custom quilts for special occasions such as weddings, births, or anniversaries. Market your quilts through craft fairs, Etsy, and social media. Offer personalized designs and high-quality materials to attract customers. Create a portfolio showcasing your previous work and customer testimonials. Offer quilting classes and workshops to generate additional income and share your passion with others. Number 12. Become a virtual pen pal coordinator. Facilitate meaningful connections by organizing a virtual pen pal program. Match individuals based on interests and provide guidelines for safe and engaging communication. Charge a coordination fee and promote your program through community centers, social media, and senior living facilities. Create an online platform where participants can manage their profiles and connect with pen pals. Offer themed pen pal programs such as language exchange or book clubs to attract diverse participants. Number 13. Host storytelling nights. Share your love for storytelling by hosting virtual or in-person storytelling nights. Invite guests to share their stories and create a supportive community. Charge an entry fee and offer themed storytelling events. Promote your events through local media, social media, and community boards. Develop a website where participants can register for events, share their stories, and access storytelling resources. Offer workshops on storytelling techniques to help participants improve their skills. Number 14. Create and sell digital artwork. Use your artistic skills to create digital artwork and sell it online. Platforms like Redbubble and Society6 allow you to upload your designs and sell them on various products. Promote your art through social media, art forums, and online galleries. Create a professional website to showcase your portfolio and offer custom designs. Collaborate with other artists and participate in online art communities to expand your reach. Number 15. Offer virtual decluttering services. Help people declutter their homes through virtual consultations. Offer personalized advice and step-by-step plans to organize and simplify their spaces. Market your services through social media, local community boards, and decluttering forums. Develop a detailed decluttering guide and video tutorials to assist clients. Offer follow-up sessions to ensure clients maintain their decluttered spaces and achieve their organizational goals. Number 16. Write and narrate audiobooks. Share your voice and storytelling talent by narrating audiobooks. Platforms like ECX connect authors with narrators. You can also write your own books and narrate them, creating a dual income stream. Promote your audiobooks through social media, book clubs, and online bookstores. Develop a professional recording setup and invest in high-quality audio equipment. Create a portfolio of sample recordings to showcase your voice and narration skills to potential clients. Number 17. Provide home energy audits. Use your knowledge of energy efficiency to offer home energy audits. Help homeowners identify ways to reduce their energy consumption and save money. Market your services through local environmental groups, community boards, and social media. Create detailed reports with actionable recommendations for improving energy efficiency. Partner with local utility companies and energy-saving product suppliers to offer discounts and incentives to clients. Number 18. Offer personalized nutrition plans. Use your knowledge of health and nutrition to create personalized nutrition plans for clients. Offer virtual consultations and tailor plans to individual needs. Market your services through health forums, social media, and local community centers. Develop a comprehensive nutrition guide and meal planning templates to assist clients. Offer follow-up sessions to track clients' progress and adjust plans as needed. Number 19. Create and sell personalized journals. Design custom journals for specific purposes such as travel, gratitude, or goal setting. Sell them through platforms like Etsy and promote them through social media and local craft fairs. Offer personalized covers and high-quality materials to attract customers. Create a portfolio showcasing your journal designs and customer testimonials. Offer journal-making workshops to generate additional income and share your creativity with others. Number 20. Host virtual hobby classes. Share your hobbies with others by hosting virtual classes. Whether it's knitting, painting, cooking, or playing an instrument, there's an audience eager to learn. Use platforms like Zoom and promote your classes through social media, community boards, and hobby forums. Develop detailed lesson plans and provide downloadable resources to enhance the learning experience. Offer group classes and private lessons to cater to different needs and preferences.